In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a domain between Squarespace sites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch a domain from one Squarespace site to another without downtime or confusion. First, log into your Squarespace account. Make sure you're using the account that owns both the domain and the sites you're working with. Having the right permissions up front saves time and prevents errors later. Next, open the website you're moving the domain from. This is the site that currently has the domain connected. We'll initiate the move here so Squarespace knows which domain to reassign. From the site's dashboard, head to Settings, then click Domains. This is the hub where all connected and owned domains live. If you manage several domains, take a moment to verify the one you plan to move. Double check spelling and extensions so you don't accidentally shift the wrong address. Click the domain you want to move. On its details page, you'll see settings like connection status and DNS. Give these a quick review to confirm you're in the right place and everything looks normal before proceeding. Scroll down to the Move Domain option and select it. This action reassigns the domain to a different Squarespace site within the same account. It's not the same as transferring a domain to another registrar, so you won't need authorization codes. If you use custom email records, those typically remain intact since you're just changing which site the domain points to within Squarespace. When prompted, choose the thumbnail image of the new Squarespace site you want to connect the domain to. If you have multiple sites, pick carefully. A quick tip, naming your sites clearly in your account helps you avoid mix-ups during this step. Click Confirm to finalize the move. Squarespace will update the connection and begin routing traffic to the new site. You don't need to republish or make manual DNS changes in most cases. After confirming, the domain should direct to the new site within 24 to 48 hours. Often it's faster, but allow that window for propagation and caching to settle. During this period, check the domain in an incognito window and on different networks to get an accurate view. If your site uses SSL, Squarespace will handle the certificate automatically. It may take a short time to appear as secure in every browser. Once everything resolves, review the domain settings on the new site to ensure it's set as the active address and that your pages, links, and media load as expected. That's it. Your domain is now moved cleanly between Squarespace sites.